Imagine, you are returning from work after a long and tiring day, it is getting cold, and you forgot to turn on the heater before leaving for work. You want your house to be warm and cozy before you reach home. What if, instead of waiting to reach home to turn on the heater, you could use your smartphone to control the thermostat and adjust your heater? Wouldn't you love it if you could switch off lights even after you have left home? Or unlock the doors to friends for temporary access even when you are not at home? Don't be surprised, with the rise of Internet of Things, many companies are developing products and devices to make your life simpler and convenient. These devices will bridge the gap between the physical and digital world to improve the quality and productivity of life, society, as well as industries. But what is IoT? Internet of Things is best described as the extension of internet connectivity into everyday physical devices, allowing them to collect and exchange data. IoT has made it possible for digital devices to communicate with each other through the internet without much human intervention and uniting the physical and digital world. The IoT in general is a giant network of connected things and people, all of which collect and share data about the way they are used and about the environment around them. So how does IoT work? In simple words, objects and devices with built-in sensors are connected to an Internet of Things platform which collects and combines data from the different devices and applies analytics to share the most valuable information with applications that are built to address specific needs. These powerful IoT platforms can further identify and keep the information that is useful and safely ignore the rest. This valuable information can be used to detect patterns, make recommendations, and detect possible problems before they occur. Now you must be wondering which technologies empower IoT and how do they work? Let's have a look at some of the many technologies that empower IoT. The first one is radio frequency identification. Radio frequency identification is a wireless system comprised of two components: tags and readers. The reader is a device that has one or more antennas that emit radio waves and receive signals back from the RFID tag. RFID tags are barcodes that you see on the products. With the help of IoT, RFID makes communication between objects and interrogating devices possible by automatically tracking and identifying them. Cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the technology that utilizes the internet for managing and storing data on remote servers. That data can later be accessed through the internet. IoT go hand in hand. Both are working towards increasing the efficiency of everyday tasks. While IoT has penetrated mainstream technology and marketplace, it generates extensive data, while cloud computing helps store and move that data over the internet. From a storage solution to accessing data remotely, IoT and cloud computing builds an integration. Not only storage and access, but there are also many areas where we can do a fit gap analysis between IoT and cloud computing. Smartphones. With the help of IoT, we are able to control our home devices, such as garage doors, thermostats, door locks, and smartwatches through mobile applications. These mobile applications running on smartphones can leverage the IoT data connectivity, supported by various sensors, allowing the user to control the devices from anywhere at any time. Artificial intelligence. AI refers to the ability of computer robots or machines to think and act like humans. These machines are programmed in such a way that they efficiently learn and perform human tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI-empowered IoT produces intelligent machines that are responsible for simulating smart behavior and supporting decision-making with little or no human intervention. While IoT deals with devices interacting using the internet, AI allows the devices to learn from their data and past experiences. So, this is how IoT works with different technologies. Now that we know what IoT actually is, let's investigate how business and industrial performance is improving with the help of IoT. Businesses and industries highly benefit from IoT, as it helps with speeding up production levels without human errors. Line workers cannot keep up with the pace of machines that perform tasks faster and more efficiently. By monitoring machines with IoT sensors, they can perform maintenance to prevent breakdowns. Real-time data is monitored and forwarded to technicians, who then use it to analyze the status of the equipment to check if there are any defects. And lastly, IoT in an industrial setting not only improves efficiency but also plays a major role in the health and safety aspect. IoT technology allows organizations to monitor environmental conditions, physical health of employees, and can help limit employees' risks and exposure to prevent accidents from happening. Some of the industries and businesses where IoT is being used are smart power, utilities, factory, manufacturing, smart cars, communication, smart grid, solar. If you are planning to start up your own tech business, then you must know that with the help of IoT, you can successfully run and flourish your business even further, as IoT has the potential to help you generate more revenue by recording and transferring data to monitor important processes, improving customer experience, giving new insights, boosting efficiency, and making informed overall business as well as financial decisions. But the question is, how? Let's look at some of the ways how Internet of Things help you successfully run and grow your business. Automation. IoT is becoming an integral part of your daily life without you even realizing it. It has empowered automation with quality service and more control of everyday tasks without much human involvement. Using IoT, devices can simplify and streamline many work processes to increase efficiency. Administrative tasks like scheduling can be automated to help businesses stay productive. Virtual assistants like Google Assistant or Alexa can handle these duties so employees can focus on other important tasks and strategic planning. Greater productivity. IoT provides improved efficiency through machine-to-machine interactions. Incorporating IoT in your business will not only increase the speed, but also help in making the IoT-enabled devices and physical assets faster and more efficient. The efficiency of your employees will also get improved, as they will be able to achieve large-scale tasks quicker and with greater precision, boosting the overall productivity of your business. Remote work. Enhanced connections within a single network enable physical devices to stay connected 24/7, allowing you to control your devices from anywhere at any time. You can easily work in a remote location while connecting with others. This will promote a productive workflow and a happier environment to enhance the functions of your business significantly. Cost reduction. IoT is cost-effective and helps streamline operations all the while, making it easier for staff and workers to learn and efficiently use new technologies, while also reducing the cost of operations in your business. Increase customer satisfaction. You can use IoT-enabled products to connect more with your customers and track their behavior and activities. If the insights generated by tracking customers' behavior and activities are used properly, you can better understand your customers' needs and make informed decisions. In this digitally innovative era, IoT is providing businesses with an opportunity to gain a competitive advantage by providing not only a better customer experience, but by also creating a healthy and pleasant work environment for the employees. IoT is transforming the business in success path across all sectors. The global Internet of Things market size is projected to reach $1,463.19 billion by 2027, growing at an annual rate of 24.9% during the forecast period. Experts predict that more than half of new businesses will run on the Internet of Things by 2021, and there are expected to be more than 30.9 billion IoT devices worldwide by 2025. The IoT is huge, with endless possibilities. It is considered one of the most promising digital technologies that have the potential to be limitless. It has always been growing, and it will continue to grow even further. IoT is changing how we live, travel, work and carry out business activities, while also raising our standards of living. With the rise of this digital technology, any business, no matter the size, can find IoT solutions that address their needs. IoT may be the future of business because of its accessibility, and with proper planning, even the smallest of companies can benefit from it and join the industry of the future. So, this was Internet of Things explained in simple words. In this video you learned, what is Internet of Things? How does it work? Which technologies empower IoT? How does IoT improves business and industrial performance? How does IoT help you in growing your business? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more informational videos.